You've been lied to about the Big Mac sauce ingredients for decades. Everyone thinks it's just Thousand Island dressing, but adding ketchup is a total rookie mistake that ruins the flavor.
To get it right, start with exactly 1 cup of full-fat mayonnaise for that thick, creamy foundation.
Next, toss in 2 tablespoons of finely minced sweet pickle relish to provide that signature vinegary crunch. Use 1 tablespoon of classic yellow mustard, never use Dijon, to hit the specific sharp notes we need. Pour in exactly 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to cut through the fat and balance the richness. Sprinkle in onion powder, garlic powder, and mild paprika for that subtle, smoky undertone you love. Whisk it vigorously and subscribe for more secrets to master your home kitchen like a pro chef.
Now for the secret ingredient they don't want you to know: a pinch of granulated sugar.
This balances the sharp acidity perfectly and replicates the exact corporate flavor profile of the Golden Arches. The most important part is letting it chill in the fridge for 2 hours so the deep flavors can meld. Slather it on your beef patties and you will finally realize you've been doing it wrong this whole time. And that is exactly why